the word hear, to perceive sound through the ears. Hear a sound, hear music, hear voices. I could hear a sound coming from the other room. She loves to hear music while working. He claimed to hear voices in the empty house, to listen or pay attention to something. Hear someone out, hear the news, hear a speech. Let me hear you out before jumping to conclusions. And she was eager to hear the news about the job interview. The president will hear a speech addressing national issues, to receive or be informed about information, and hear from, hear about, hear of. I haven't heard from him in weeks. Do you have any updates? She was excited to hear about her promotion at work. Have you heard of the new restaurant that opened downtown? To understand or realize something, hear correctly, hear clearly, hear wrong. I didn't hear correctly. Could you repeat that? He didn't hear clearly due to the loud noise. She heard wrong about the meeting time, so she showed up late to be told or informed. Hear the verdict, hear the story, hear the decision. The jury will hear the verdict tomorrow in court. She was eager to hear the story from her best friend. And we are waiting to hear the decision on our application.